Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open the app and do 3 things now. Install, sign in, and fund, no delay. Begin by granting permissions so background updates run, then sign in with your email or single sign-on and complete 2FA to secure access. Once done, link one funding source, bank, card, or etch, and set your initial dollar limit. This lets the app fetch balances and enable live trades. Make sure to accept terms. You're ready to move to the core flow immediately. You now build and execute your first trade strategy. Start by choosing order type, market, limit, or stop, and set time and force to control duration. This affects fills and slippage. Then allocate capital per trade using percent allocation or fixed dollar amounts to manage risk. Make sure max exposure is defined. Once done, test in paper mode to validate fill behavior and review execution fees. When you're confident, flip the live toggle, monitor fills, and adjust size slowly to avoid surprises. You finish by closing or scaling positions with intent. Use partial close or trailing stop to protect profits, or full exit to realize gains. Once done, reconcile activity. Review P&L, fees, and export tax reports weekly so statements stay clean. If something goes wrong, check connectivity first, then funding status and app logs. Often a stalled trade is a funding hold or weak signal. Make sure to contact support with screenshots if the
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.